What if your credit card helped you spend less instead of more? That question created one of the fastest-growing fintech companies in the world, Ramp. This is the story of three friends from Harvard University and how a scribble became a $32 billion company. Traditional credit cards reward spending, but businesses were drowning in waste, confusion, and manual expense reports. They believed finance should work like software, fast, smart, and automatic. In 2019, they built a new kind of credit card, one that cuts unnecessary spending and manages expenses automatically. When the pandemic hit in 2020, their timing was perfect. Companies wanted savings, not luxury perks. Ramp followed three simple rules: build for savings, not spending; remove complexity, automate everything. They didn't call themselves a fintech, they called themselves a workflow company. By 2023, Ramp had over 13,000 customers. In 2024 and 2025, growth exploded, revenue doubled. Purchase volume passed $100 billion. Over 50,000 businesses joined. Investors noticed. In 2025, Ramp raised $300 million and reached a $32 billion valuation. Lesson 1. Start with a question. Good startups begin with curiosity. Lesson 2. Timing matters. The right solution at the right moment wins. Lesson 3. Simple beats flashy. Customers want clarity, not noise. Lesson 4. Build for the long term. Ramp focused on systems, not hype. If the founders of Ramp were advising young entrepreneurs today, they would say, solve real problems, be patient, learn deeply, build quietly, stay focused. What began as a scribble became a defining company of its generation, not by encouraging spending, but by teaching people to save. Subscribe to MBA Case Study Insights for more simple startup stories.